Hello, should I start now?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is said that the secondary imagination is at the root of all creative activity. Is it clear to you? When Pragati, you were asking me dissolve, diffuse, it dissipates in order to create, what it means. So
Yes,
when
yes, I was
we
asking.
are having the things like we are cooking vegetable, we are having things separately. Vegetable in pieces, water, spices, fire, pan, everything together makes cooked vegetable. Correct? Is it clear? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So similarly, for creating a novel, drama or something, we get the raw material, we put things together and then we get a story, a novel or a drama. So what he says secondary imagination fuses things together. Fuses the subjective with the objective, the internal with external. Correct? Subjective with objective. The human mind with external nature. Is it clear? The spiritual with the physical. Understood? And that's why he says it is simplistic. Is it clear to you what he wants to say when he says about all these things? He says that it is the unifying power. You can't see things as a whole until and unless you have secondary imagination. When you are perceiving things, you are fusing things together, then only you are able to create something new out of that. Okay, so primary as well as secondary imagination both are necessary for creative activity. Okay, now he says primary and secondary imagination are different not in kind but in degree. Okay, so primary and secondary imagination don't differ from each other in kind but in degree. Is it clear?
Yes.
Secondary imagination is more active. He said secondary imagination is more active,
Ma'am, it is don't different है ना? This is
don't differ.
differ.
Different is not verb. After don't we put verb na, differ. Is it clear? Secondary imagination is more active, more a result of volition. Volition means your own desire. More conscious, more voluntary, okay, more conscious, more voluntary than the primary. Is it clear? It
Yes,
is possessed by artist only. Understood something what he mean to say when he talks about primary and secondary imagination. Then he also talks about difference between fancy and imagination. Everybody has noted down this much.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I erase it?
Yes.
Now he says there is a difference. Generally people take fancy and imagination as same. But Coleridge differentiate even between fancy and imagination. We say na fancy, fantasy. Okay, so he differentiate between fancy and imagination as well. Now he gives example from
Ma'am,
science.
fancy imagination comes under secondary, na?
No, it's not. Now I am not talking about primary or secondary. I am just talking about imagination and how Coleridge says fancy and imagination are different. Okay, I have completed what I said about primary and what I said about secondary. You have understood now what is primary imagination, what is secondary.
Yes, ma'am. I have
Yes.
understood.
Now he says the fancy and the imagination are different. They are not together. They are not same. Sorry, together. They are not same. People may think fancy and imagination are same, but poet, critic Coleridge says fancy and imagination are not same. Okay. How he differentiate? He takes example from science. All of you have studied science up to 10th standard at least. So you must have heard about compound, mixture. Heard or not heard? If you read science in Hindi, suppose Hindi medium, Marathi medium or Urdu medium or Gujarati medium, you must have heard words like yogic and mishran. Or if you have read in English, compound and mixture. पढ़ा है क्या केमिस्ट्री में?
मैम आपसे सुन रहे हिंदी
नहीं, इंग्लिश में
इंग्लिश में सुना
कंपाउंड एंड
सुना
कंपाउंड एंड मिक्सचर
हाँ, I have
सबने
heard.
सुना है?
Yes, in chemistry it is.
या कंपाउंड एंड मिक्सचर सुना है कि नहीं सुना है?
Yes.
व्हाट अबाउट रिमेनिंग स्टूडेंट्स? यस तो ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
सुना है। व्हाट इज कंपाउंड? चलो लेट मी टेस्ट योर साइंस नॉलेज। व्हाट इज कंपाउंड? व्हाट इज मिक्सचर? अच्छा, ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू हैव all of you have eaten.
Compound is a mixture of two atoms.
Okay, what is mixture?
Mixture mixture will be mixture ma'am 2 minutes adjust
Okay, all of you have eaten चिवड़ा। चिवड़ा खाया
Yes.
सबने?
Yes.
हाँ चूड़ा खाए
सबने खाया है?
हाँ
खाया नहीं तो देखा तो होगा ही एटलीस्ट। Okay,
देखा
all
है,
of you
खाया
have drunk lemon juice,
yes
शिकंजी जिसको बोलते हैं। पिए कि
नींबू
नहीं?
पानी
गर्मी में नींबू
शिकं-
पानी शिकंजी पीते हैं, वो पिए कि नहीं?
नहीं नींबू पानी पिए बट शिकंजी कभी देखा ही नहीं
अरे उसमें शक्कर मिलाते हैं, नमक मिलाते हैं, काली मिर्च मिलाते हैं। नहीं पिए किसी ने?
नहीं शिकंजी तो नहीं पी बट नींबू पानी बहुत बार पी है
नींबू पानी कैसा बनता है?
नींबू पानी शक्कर और नींबू को पानी में मिला के होता है
खाली शक्कर और नींबू मिलाते हैं? नहीं, जो शिकंजी होती है उसमें नमक भी मिलाते हैं और काली मिर्च भी मिलाते हैं।
It
ओके,
is good for health I have heard
हाँ,
in summer
in
season.
summer season, yeah, very good for health. Actually, everybody should have it. Now he says imagination is chemical compound. Okay, imagination is chemical compound. And fancy is mixture. Correct? Now I am giving you idea what he mean to say when he says imagination is chemical compound and fancy is mixture. He says imagination is like your nimbu pani. Lemonade. In English we say lemonade. Okay, and fancy is your चिवड़ा और खीर समझो। Clear? So when you drink lemonade, नींबू पानी और शिकंजी, can you separate the ingredient? lemon अलग, water अलग, शक्कर अलग, नमक अलग, मिर्च अलग, कर सकते हो क्या?
नहीं मैम एक बार वो डिसॉल्व हो गया पानी में तो सेपरेट कैसे कर सकते नहीं कर सकते
नहीं कर सकते ना।
हाँ एक काम कर सकते हैं जब पानी को छानते रहेंगे तो उसका नींबू का बीज जो अगर सपोज पड़ा हुआ रहेगा पानी में तो उसको सेपरेट कर सकते
अरे बट नींबू का रस बोल रही हूँ मैं।
नहीं रस वस तो नहीं कर सकते
नमक अलग से दिखाई दे सकता है उसमें,
नहीं नमक जो डिसॉल्व हो जाता
शक्कर
है
अलग से दिखाई दे सकती है उसमें।
हाँ दिख सकता है लास्ट में रह जाता है ना थोड़े थोड़े छोटा छोटा
अरे बट वो तूने अच्छे से नहीं मिलाया रहेगा तो रहेगा ना अदर। Is it clear? So what he says, imagination is like a lemonade. So whatever you create out of your raw material, okay, whatever raw material you get from society, and out of that when you cook your vegetable, can you separate vegetable, spices, water? No, na.
नो
Correct? Now fancy is like your चिवड़ा। चिवड़े में भी बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स हम लोग साथ में मिलाते हैं। करेक्ट, पोहा, ड्राई फ्रूट्स, करेक्ट, मिर्च, नमक, हरी मिर्च, बट उसको हम सेपरेट कर,
Masalas.
हाँ बट उसको हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं ना चिवड़े के इंग्रेडिएंट को। हेलो,
हाँ व्हाट मैम?
चिवड़े का जो इंग्रेडिएंट होता है उसको हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं ना, पोहा
हाँ
अलग,
थोड़ा, हाँ पोहा
मिर्च
अलग,
अलग, कर सकते हैं ना,
सिंगदाना
ड्राई
अलग,
फ्रूट अलग, सिंगदाना अलग, कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते?
हाँ कर सकते।
So he says imagination is like lemonade. So when you create using your imagination something like poetry, drama, novel, short story, so you can't separate each and everything. ओके, इमेजिनेशन कितना है, इमोशन कितना है, ऐसे सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते, रॉ मटेरियल कितना है, ऐसे सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते एक एक चीज को अलग से। बट when it is because of fancy you have created something, then you can separate things. He says means imagination is better than fancy, he mean to say that. Okay, because of fancy when you create something then it is like chivda. ओके, अभी हम खीर खाते हैं तो खीर में से दूध अलग कर सकते हैं, ड्राई फ्रूट अलग कर सकते हैं, चावल अलग कर सकते हैं ना, फिर भी कर सकते हैं कि नहीं कर सकते?
क्या चीज अलग कर सकते?
यू आर एबल टू सी ना वेरियस इंग्रेडिएंट्स इन खीर एज वेल, बट लेमनेड में आपको कुछ भी अलग दिखाई नहीं देगा, सब पानी में मिक्स हो जाता है।
बट मैम खीर में, बट मैम खीर तो दूध से बनता है ना, तो फिर कैसे अलग होगा?
दूध अलग कर सकते हैं, ड्राई फ्रूट अलग कर सकते हैं, चावल अलग कर सकते हैं, दिखाई देते हैं, और अलग भी कर सकते हैं ना, नहीं कर सकते?
नहीं थोड़ा थोड़ा कर सकते
है ना? तो what he mean to say, imagination is superior to fancy. When you don't have imagination, your work will be like mixture, collage के जैसे हो जाएगा,
हाँ
ठीक है? और when you are using imagination, it will be like lemonade, whatever you are creating. So you will not be able to separate the element. It is as a whole you will see. When you are using fancy, you will see things in parts. Is it clear to you?
यस मैम।
कुछ समझ आया कि नहीं?
मैम बहुत कुछ समझ आया।
बहुत कुछ समझ आया। So he says when
हाँ
a
काफी कुछ।
writer uses fancy, he will not be able to create a good work of art. It will be like mixture, putting things together only. चिवड़ा और खीर. It is not lemonade. When a writer is using imagination, he will create something new out of that, and it will be fusing together various elements and creating something new out of that. Understood? So imagination is like chemical compound and fancy is like mixture. ये एग्जाम्पल लिखना नहीं आया, इमेजिनेशन इज लाइक लेमनेड एंड फैंसी इज लाइक चिवड़ा और खीर, ये मैंने तुम्हें समझाने के लिए दिया है, कभी एग्जाम में लिख दो। इज इट क्लियर?
तो मैम उसकी जगह पे क्या एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं?
एग्जाम्पल यही देना है, इमेजिनेशन इज केमिकल कंपाउंड एंड फैंसी इज मिक्सचर. सो व्हेन a writer is using fancy, he will just bring together various things, it will not be a composite or whole. When a writer is using imagination, he will be bringing things together and fusing things together so that you can't see the separate elements. ठीक है, ये मैंने तुम्हें समझाने के लिए दिया है। मैं रसगुल्ला वसगुल्ला बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल दूंगी आगे भी, बट वो लिखना नहीं है एग्जाम में। गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ला, चिवड़ा, खीर और लेमनेड।
मैम बहुत, मैम खाने की याद आ रही, मैम मत करो।
So that you can understand, otherwise it is difficult for me to explain what is chemical compound and what is mixture, because you have forgotten your science, no?
यस
If,
वी हैव।
if I give example from science, you will never understand imagination, na? So I have given example from daily life so that you can understand what is chemical compound, what is fancy. Is it clear? But you are not supposed to write these examples in the exam. Understood?
यस
सबको
मैम।
समझ आया क्या?
Yes.
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? When a writer uses imagination, he creates something new where you can't see the separate elements. Okay? When a writer uses imagination and creates something it's a chemical compound means it's a chemical compound means it's a chemical compound means one can't separate the various elements fused together. Is it clear? But when a writer uses fancy, okay, but when a writer uses fancy, brings together various elements, okay, and one can see the elements, one can see these elements separately. Even taste their properties separately. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. It's very clear to us.
कुछ confusion नहीं है ना?
When the writer uses the imagination, sometimes
मतलब राइटर की इमेजिनेशन उसकी फैंसी से पावरफुल होती है, कहने का मतलब ये है. He says
मीन्स फैंसी से ज्यादा पावरफुल है.
हाँ, imagination. Clear? In fancy we just bring various elements together. But so an ordinary person can have fancy, but a superior person like writer can have imagination. In simple words. ठीक है? समझ आया कुछ?
हाँ मैम, बहुत कुछ समझ आया.
बाकी students, what about other students? Have you understood something?
Yes, ma'am.
No confusion?
No ma'am, no confusion.
Okay, so Coleridge was the first person to talk about imagination. Okay. But it is because of Wordsworth's theory of poetry, Coleridge thought about imagination. Okay. Coleridge was the first critic to study imagination and examine its role in creative activity. Okay. While according to Wordsworth, fancy and imagination are one only, Coleridge differentiates between fancy and imagination. ठीक है? Hello. Should
Yes,
I
ma'am.
erase it? You have noted down.
Yes, we have we have noted down.
Now, what is the difference when we talk about Coleridge and Wordsworth?
Uh,
Wordsworth has talked about emotion. Okay.
yes, and Coleridge has spoken about imagination and all.
Okay. So we have two critics, Wordsworth and Coleridge.
So
Okay.
now you're telling a debate kind of thing.
Yeah, you can say like that.
So
Okay.
should we give a heading like that?
You need how Coleridge and Wordsworth are different as far as imagination is concerned.
Okay.
Okay. So Wordsworth has talked about emotion. Okay. Coleridge has talked about imagination. Is it clear? Wordsworth doesn't differentiate between primary and secondary imagination. According to Wordsworth, he hasn't divided imagination into two types. Means.
Ma'am, can you like don't go fast, ma'am? Can you tell it like you can write it down? Hmm.
Yeah, I'm telling. He talks about imagination only after Wordsworth, but no primary, no types.
Oh, Coleridge.
अरे वर्ड्सवर्थ कॉलरिज का
Okay.
इतना डिटेल बताने के बाद पूछ रही है कॉलरिज
अरे नहीं, sorry.
इमेजिनेशन हैज नो टाइप्स अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्ड्सवर्थ करेक्ट कॉलरिज सेज इमेजिनेशन इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स करेक्ट प्राइमरी एंड secondary. Is it clear? He talks about two types of imagination. He says imagination is primary and imagination is secondary. Correct? Then Wordsworth doesn't differentiate between fancy and imagination. Okay? According to him, fancy and imagination are one only. No difference between fancy and imagination. Is it clear? According to Coleridge, there is a difference between fancy and imagination. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. So there is a difference between what we say fancy and imagination. He tells you, which you explained us before.
Yeah.
Kanji, Nimbu, and that story.
Yeah. Okay, so according to Coleridge, fancy and imagination are different. But Wordsworth said there is no difference between fancy and imagination. He also doesn't differentiate between primary and secondary imagination. For him, imagination is imagination because he talked more about emotion, not about imagination. But Coleridge has not talked much about emotion. He has talked about imagination. He differentiates between primary and secondary imagination and also between fancy and imagination. Is it clear to you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
To everyone it is clear what is imagination, what is
Yes.
fancy, what is primary imagination, what is secondary imagination,
Yes, ma'am.
how it is used in literature, how
Ma'am, this
literature
much
is.
only, or two points, both of them.
Two points what?
Like what's things like this, college things like this, college
Arey,
things like
the whole I have given you in four lectures that comes under this topic, na?
yes, yes. So
Four
we can add
lectures
that
are
things also.
less. Four
No, no,
lectures are less for any topic.
no, ma'am. It's not less. Not less. It's not.
Is it clear now?
Yes, it's clear, ma'am.
What is fancy? What is imagination? So when you will get question on literature and imagination, you will write everything. What Coleridge has
Yes.
said about imagination. What is primary? What is secondary? How primary is possessed by all. It is involuntary, unconscious. It is sense perception. Secondary is not possessed by all. It is individual. It is characteristics of writers, poets, creative artists. Okay. Primary imagination provides raw material for secondary imagination. How primary imagination and secondary imagination are essential for creating any work of art. Okay. Then how primary imagination and secondary imagination don't differ in kind, but they differ in degree. Okay,
Yeah.
then Coleridge tells difference between fancy and imagination, how a writer uses fancy and how a writer uses imagination. And then his work is, if he uses fancy, his work is like mixture. If he uses imagination, his work is like chemical compound. Okay, so whether you will like chemical compound or mixture more. अगर कोलाज है तो वो पसंद आएगा कि तुम्हें एक केमिकल कंपाउंड के रूप में एक कंपोजिट वर्क मिलता है एज ए होल, वो पसंद करोगे तुम उसको. Okay, and then you will say that Wordsworth has talked about emotion and it made Coleridge to think about imagination as well. Then he talks about imagination and he talks about primary, secondary imagination. He differentiates between fancy and imagination, but Wordsworth doesn't differentiate between primary and secondary imagination. According to Wordsworth, imagination, no primary and secondary imagination. Wordsworth also doesn't differentiate between fancy and imagination. For him, fancy and imagination are one and same thing. Is it clear? So this much you have to write under literature and imagination. Hello. Understood?
Yes.
Every one of you. No question, no confusion. Anybody wants to know anything? All of you understood, didn't understand.
This much only or
This
more?
much. This much means what?
Means like more you are going to elaborate. I mean to say.
More you want more elaboration. I
No, no,
can
no, no. No, it's okay.
I can do a lot. Then you will be only tired and saying, Madam, itna mat batao. I can tell about what others have said about imagination. But then you will get confused. So I'm not telling anything. So what should I do? I mean, I'm just asking, how many students are there?
Present.
Yeah. Jayesha Ansari, have you understood whatever I have taught you? Hello, you have muted yourself, participants.
No, I have.
Jayesha, Have you understood whatever I have taught you? Saima, Jayesha, Shiba, Sehnaz, Shalu, Mangala, Shreya, Mangala. क्या है? Shreya, your first name is Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood whatever I have taught you?
Yes.
Shweta, who is Shweta? Simran,
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Shalu Dubey. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
No confusion.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody want to ask anything from function of literature? Yes, Pragati, that day you were saying,
I want to ask. Ma'am, I want to ask. Yes, I want to ask.
what do you want to know from function of literature? You have read that
Ma'am, I
again.
have read it, but 1 minute. Only the function part, the little bit of points, the words and all, I am not clear. बाकी nature of literature I understood.
हाँ
I
तो
got
क्या
the holiday.
function of
अच्छा,
literature?
उसमें क्या
What
क्या
is
point
not
कुछ?
clear to you? That is what I
Okay.
want to know ना.
Okay, 1 minute. Ma'am, the romantic views and aesthetic function of literature.
Aesthetic,
Aesthetic, yeah.
romantic or aesthetic function of literature says life is for art is for art's sake. So the primary function of literature is to provide delight. So when you are reading any novel, any drama, any poetry, so if romanticists have written that novel or drama or poetry, or aesthetes have written that, they will say that primary function is to provide literature. So the story, drama and poetry, whatever it is, should entertain the reader. Whether they are giving the message or not is a different thing. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू वॉच कॉमेडीज लाइक गोलमाल खिचड़ी, ऐसी मूवी देखी है ना? देखी है कि नहीं देखी है? हेलो,
Yes.
तो
Yes,
उसमें
ma'am.
आपको एंटरटेनमेंट मिलता है, मैसेज मिलता है या नहीं मिलता, इज नॉट द कंसर्न ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर. बट आपने बागवान मूवी देखी है, हम आपके हैं कौन देखी है, तो उसमें आपको एक मैसेज मिलता है, स्टे टुगेदर, फैमिली इज इम्पोर्टेंट. करेक्ट?
Yes. And
So
the modern views of conservative function.
modern view of function of literature is that poetry provides relief, literature provides relief to you. When you watch movies like Golmaal or Bagwan or Hum Aapke Kaun, you forget your tensions for the time being. When you are watching that movie, correct?
Okay.
So you
Yes.
get relief from your tension, stress, boredom of your life.
Ma'am, deed is sublimate. What is that? The
Sublimate
loneliness in
means when you watch any movie, when you read any novel, for the time being you are in the other world. You are not in your own world. That is sublimate, to move.
Okay.
जब आप मूवी देखते हो तब आप थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल जाते हो ना कि आप कहाँ हो. इन द सेंस, ठीक है?
Yes.
When you are engrossed in reading a novel, drama or poetry, for the time being you forget that you have your own world. You become part of that world of characters. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are doing it out of interest, not out of compulsion, जो भी आपको लिटरेचर पसंद है, किसी भी लैंग्वेज का, अगर आप वो पढ़ते हो तो for the time being you forget where you are. You become part of that world of literature, of that particular book. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't remember for the time being what are your personal problems, and also you get relief, you get escape, you get release for your bottled up emotions even. So you cry when the heroine cry. You cry when the hero cry. You feel happy when the hero heroine feel happy. You feel sad when the hero heroine feel sad. So it is like catharsis of your own emotions. Is it clear? Understood?
Yes.
So this is what is function of literature. कुछ समझ आया? क्लियर हुआ कि
Yes,
नहीं?
ma'am.
प्रॉब्लम तेरा जो कंफ्यूजन था वो हो गया?
हाँ, काफी कुछ सॉल्व हो गया मैम.
और कुछ बाकी है?
कुछ नहीं मैम. एक मैम क्या हुआ कि हॉलीडे में मैंने 2 बार कोशिश की और फिर थोड़ा थोड़ा मिल गया. बट देन ऑल्सो आई वांटेड टू मेक श्योर दैट व्हाट आई हैव रेड इट इज करेक्ट और नॉट. सो आई एम करेक्ट.
Okay.
हाँ.
Anybody else has
फिर से भी कोशिश करनी.
any confusion in any of the topic can ask me. Plato Aristotle debate also you revise, then we will have discussion. If you have any confusion, I can
तो
have
आपसे
a
फिर से पूछ सकते हैं ना मैम.
हाँ
ओके.
ठीक है. और ये
Thank you, ma'am.
लिटरेचर एंड इमेजिनेशन भी पढ़ो. फिर कुछ कंफ्यूजन रहेगा तो मुझसे पूछ सकते हो. Whatever
sure.
I have written on the whiteboard, you have noted down, so that will
Yes,
also
ma'am.
help you to understand the topic. Okay?
अच्छा
No,
मैम, वो जो समरी था वो कब सबमिट करना है?
वो एक्चुअली एक हफ्ते के अंदर कभी हुआ था अपना 22 को हुआ ना, तो
हाँ हाँ.
1 वीक के अंदर. फिर भी तुम नीता मैम से पूछ लेना
अच्छा ठीक है.
कि हाउ टू सबमिट एंड टिल व्हेन टू सबमिट.
एंड वेयर टू सबमिट.
हाँ, whatever you have queries, she can tell you better. Correct?
यस मैम. और मैम वो टेस्ट आप कब कंडक्ट करने वाले हो?
हाँ, एक्चुअली वो कंडक्ट करने का सोच रही हूँ. आई विल ऑन फर्स्ट यूनिट ना पेपर 5
हाँ,
एंड
जिससे थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी.
या आई विल सेंड यू.
मैम एक्चुअली ना मेरे को ना वो टॉपिक जो इमेजरी है ना,
हाँ.
वो कल मैं रीड कर रही थी तो थोड़ा थोड़ा नहीं समझ आ रहा था मुझे. बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो रही थी. मतलब रीड किया 2 बार, गो थ्रू किया था, इवन हॉलीडेज में भी लर्न किया था उसको. I was not able to the second part. So
Okay.
I will ask you. So ma'am, like how you solved my this question, so you can solve that also.
Okay. So Monday or whenever we will get time, extra time after we finish the topic, then I will solve your problem.
Yes ma'am, sure. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Anybody has any other problem in unit 1 can tell me. Then we will discuss on Monday or whenever we get time. 5 to 10 minutes if we get after the lecture, after we finish the topic. In that time I will solve your extra, whatever you want to know extra, or your queries or doubts or confusion, whatever. है ना?
अरे आ रही नहीं आ रही.
Okay. So everyone, everything is
ऐसे
clear.
नहीं.
No confusion.
मम्मी सब्जी लाने को मत बोला. अच्छा यस मैम.
So if you don't have any confusion, it means you are perfect. It shouldn't happen that you don't, and there is no confusion anytime. You understand each and everything taught by the teacher. It's really surprising for me. Okay, so Monday I have lecture in your class. What time it is? 9 o'clock. I think Monday is 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock we will meet, and then Monday I have completed Wilfred Owen's Insensibility, or we have to start with Insensibility.
No, war poem we have done little bit, but half only we have done it because that the lecture ended.
Insensibility we haven't done completely, or we haven't.
No, we have not.
We have started Insensibility, no?
We have started it. You explained that what is war poetry and what the soldier feels when he is at the war and all. A little bit of notes you have, like you were like writing on the whiteboard. So that much you have done.
Okay. So we will do insensibility. Okay, I am ending the meeting for all.
Yes. Bye,
Okay.
ma'am. Have a
Bye
nice
bye.
day. Have a nice weekend.
Okay, same to you. Thank you.